It's so much more than harvesting food to me. Being able to cook food that's sustainable and local and in a natural setting. That's being an adventure chef. Come on, bud, let's go over here. Check it out. How cool is that? Oh, yeah. Oh, God, these are perfect. Medium, fresh, still cold and wet. What makes harvesting these ingredients special to me is the time spent seeing the sights and touching and smelling, being outdoors. That's as good as it gets right there. The time spent on the beach, the actual walk. Then being able to cook this beautiful ingredient that I found. You hungry? You want some food? Want some food, bud? Yeah, you want some food? Being outdoors is just in my blood. I want to be in nature all the time. There's something very special about earning it. You want some of that? Yeah, you do, don't you? You see, just cooking like this, over a fire with your best friends. Food I just gathered off the beach. It doesn't get any better. The simpler the ingredients, the better it tastes. What do you think, Tex? Not a bad view, huh? Got garlic, shallots, white wine, a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, beautiful fresh local mussels. Give it a little stir. Harvesting ingredients, foraging, building the campfire, cooking over that campfire. There's just nothing like it for a chef. It really pulls you back down to the grassroots of cooking.